With only Claude Code and Higgsfield AI, I was able to make this ultra-realistic UGC ad.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this flavor? I used to crash halfway through every single workout. Prime strawberry watermelon literally changed the game for me. I bring it everywhere now.
And that's just one of the many examples we're going to be going through in this video. But here's the thing. Most people think that they need coding experience to be able to use tools like Claude Code. And honestly, this misunderstanding stops plenty of builders before they even get started. Because the truth is, the entire reason why it's called Claude Code is because you don't have to do any of the coding. It does everything for you. And knowing how to use other AI tools still requires manual work, which we can easily avoid by combining Claude Code with Higgsfield AI. You see, while most people are spending a fortune on scattered subscriptions to produce AI ads, we can actually just simplify it down to use Higgsfield as our engine and Claude Code as our brain. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. We'll walk through how to install Claude Code, how to connect it to your Higgsfield account, and I'll even give you access to custom skills that I created to make everything 10 times easier for you. That by the end of this video, you'll be able to create insane AI ads using nothing but Claude Code and Higgsfield. If you want to follow along, I'll leave all of my prompts in the description, along with links to Claude Code and Higgsfield. But for now, we need to start by adding some API credits to our account. So we'll just head over to cloud.higgsfield.ai and click Billing to top up our credits within seconds. Now we need to grab our API key. To do this, we'll click API Keys and then Create API Key, which will allow us to enter any name that helps us remember what the API key will be used for. After that, it's important to safely store both our API key ID and our API key secret, since we'll need this for everything that's coming. Think of this as a literal key that can give anyone access to use the credits in your account. And now we have everything we need to head over to Claude Code, which will be running within Google's anti-gravity. If you don't already have anti-gravity installed, it's just a free, simple download that gives us a clean interface to work in. From here, installing Claude Code is super straightforward. We'll click the Open Folder button and create a folder for the project we're working on. Now we'll click Terminal and open a new terminal, which will allow us to paste this Claude Code install command. And yes, that's literally the entire setup process done. But if you do have any issues, I'll leave the official Claude setup guide below. Now we'll run this simple command, which will automatically download and install everything we need from Higgsfield. And finally, we just need to give Claude our key from earlier. So we'll run this command, followed by this command, making sure to replace everything in the quotations with our actual key information. Then we just type Claude, hit enter, and our AI assistant is awake and ready to go. Now it's time for the fun part, which is to automatically generate ultra-realistic UGC ads. Normally, creating these takes hours of manual work. We'd usually generate images one by one and try to get them to actually look like they were shot on an iPhone. But today, we're going to automate that entire process. So now we'll switch to a folder I made in anti-gravity, which has everything ready. I've created a custom file called a skill that tells Claude exactly how to batch generate everything we need. You can literally just drag and drop this skill file right into your folder inside anti-gravity. And now we'll just drag and drop a photo of the product that we want to advertise straight into the Claude Code terminal. For this example, we'll use this pink Prime Hydration sports drink. Then we'll pair it with this simple prompt. We've made sure to tell Claude Code to read the skill file and use the attached image to generate a 21-year-old female fitness creator. I've intentionally used a simple prompt, but remember, you can make it as detailed as you need. It's important to remember that your first time generating will take the longest because Claude Code has to generate the Python script that will be used for all future executions. But after that, your generations will be much faster. You'll also have to say yes to a few permission requests from Claude Code. And after a few minutes, we now have 3 A-roll images, 3 B-roll videos, an AI avatar, and a voiceover script, which we'll use in a moment, all with just a single simple prompt. But now we need our influencer to actually speak. So we're going to take our favorite A-roll image and head back over to Higgsfield.ai. Out of these 3 options, I definitely like this one the most. So we'll go to Cinema Studio, drop in our A-roll image, and paste in our voiceover script. We could add in more details to the prompt, but we'll keep it simple for now. For this example, we'll set our duration to 12 seconds and click Generate. And now we have our A-roll footage, but we still need to bring it all together. So to finish the ad, we'll just open up our preferred editing software, which for me is Premiere Pro, and drop in all of our A-roll and B-roll. Then we'll do some basic trimming and add some finishing touches, and boom.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this flavor? I used to crash halfway through every single workout. Prime strawberry watermelon literally changed the game for me. I bring it everywhere now.
We now have an ultra-realistic, highly converting UGC ad, and you barely had to lift a finger. But sometimes, we don't want an ultra-realistic video, and instead, we actually just want a static image ad. Because if you've ran profitable ad campaigns before, then you know how important it is to constantly A/B test different static creatives to see what actually performs. And so, for our second example, we're going to be using Claude Code and Higgsfield to generate batches of unbelievably creative static ads. And once again, we're doing it all from just a single prompt. Just like before, I've created a custom skill file specifically for mass generating static ads. So you can just drag and drop the static_ad_skill.md file right into our anti-gravity folder. And all we need now is a reference image of our product, the aspect ratio we want, and the core marketing message. So for this example, let's say we want to run some new ads for Pepsi. We'll use this Pepsi can as our reference image. Then for our prompt, we'll ask for a 1:1 aspect ratio and a core marketing message of 50% off. And after a few minutes, we now have a brand new folder packed with 5 completely distinct, high-quality static ads. Every single one has a totally different aesthetic, ranging from cyberpunk to tropical. But more importantly, the text is absolutely flawless on every single image. So we can now generate unlimited static ad creatives with just a single prompt and no manual work. But for our third example, we're going to take it a step further, because now we're going to be taking the creativity from our static ads, but applying it to a 3D product commercial. And the outcome might surprise you. Normally, creating AI product commercials means sitting there typing out prompt after prompt. You have to spend hours brainstorming cool environments, and then even longer trying to figure out how to actually animate them. But with Claude Code, we can automate the entire brainstorming and generation process all at once. So yet again, I've created a custom skill file for 3D commercials, which you can just drop into your project folder. Then we'll drag our Pepsi can reference image into the terminal and pair it with this prompt. Notice how simple I've kept it, because the custom skill file takes care of the rest. But if you do want something specific, then make sure to mention it. Then we'll hit enter, and after a few minutes, we have all 5 of the start frames for our videos. Everything from a frozen mountain peak to an underwater ocean floor. And right next to them, Claude automatically wrote a text file with the perfect motion prompts for every single scene. So we don't even have to guess how to animate them. We just pick our favorite start frames and head back over to Higgsfield.ai. I really like the frozen mountain peak image, so we'll head back to Cinema Studio, upload the image, and then copy and paste the prompt that Claude Code gave us. Then we hit generate, and just like that, we have a flawless, highly dynamic 3D camera movement. But maybe we just got a lucky generation. So let's try the underwater start frame. We'll just upload our image and then copy and paste the prompt that Claude Code gave us. And this is the result. Now we can repeat the same process for as many 3D commercials as we want, with no manual work needed. So now you know how to automatically generate insane AI ads with nothing but Claude Code and Higgsfield. But what if you want the character in your ads to be perfectly consistent from any angle, across any ad? Well, fortunately, Nano Banana 2 just completely solved this. So if you want me to walk you through an easy formula to keep characters completely consistent, just click the video on screen.